In this video, I'm going to show you how to add comments and notes to tasks in Todoist, so you can keep all your important details organized in one place. This is a super useful feature if you want to add reminders, extra context, meeting notes, links, or anything else that helps you stay on top of your work. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. Then to get started, open Todoist and find the task you want to add a note to. Once you see the task, hover over it and click on it to open the task view. This opens up the full task panel where you can see all the details connected to that task. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the panel. Right there, you'll find the comment box. This is where you can add your notes, updates, or anything else you want to save with the task. Click inside the comment box and start typing your note. You can also paste in information if you already have it copied, such as instructions, a meeting recap, a website link, or even a checklist item you want to remember later. Keep in mind that adding comments to tasks is a great way to make your workflow more organized, especially if you're working with a team or managing complex projects. Instead of leaving information in separate documents or random notes, you can keep everything attached directly to the task itself. That makes it much easier to come back later and see the full context at a glance. Once you've typed your note, you can save it by clicking Add Comment. If you prefer a keyboard shortcut, you can also press Ctrl and Enter on Windows or Command and Enter on Mac to post the comment instantly. That's a really fast way to save your note without reaching for the mouse. After you add the comment, it will appear in the task history so you can review it whenever you need to. You can keep adding more comments anytime you want, which makes Todoist a great tool for ongoing task updates and project communication. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to add comments and notes to tasks in Todoist in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more productivity tips, app tutorials, and workflow guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.